So Chef, tell me a little bit. You said you started cooking when you were very young with your mom.
Yeah, my mom was a teacher, but she always makes sure that we have like home-cooked meals. So I always used to watch her and help her to make the food for the next day. So yeah, and be around food and sharing with my family. I think that's like a thing in Sonora, just to share the food and just be together. So I really, really like that feeling. All the food here is smoked or grilled, and we don't know anything else. And I don't know, we just like it, and I think it's like our thing. Those look pretty nice. To keep an eye on them because
they can't really forget.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, Chef. What are we doing?
Today we're making a Black Aguachile. It's black because the sauce is made from ashes as we start prepping here. And it has like a cucumber and a little bit of lime. It's called aguachile in Mexico because it comes from the word agua and chile, which means in English water and chili. First of all, we are going to just season the shrimps with lemon and salt.
So it's almost like curing them a little bit. We put some lime in there, and in the sauce you said we're putting
lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah.
But you actually call this lemon?
Yeah.
Right? And this is lime?
I think
just
we just called yellow lemon.
Okay.
Yeah.
One big.
Yeah. Really, really big. So we are just putting aside like a little bit so we can get the time to just put the sauce in our plate.
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. That's so good. Because you get the charred, but there's no bitter.
Yeah, there's no bitter, right?
And it's just like a nice heat.
You get that from just burning all the ingredients really, really well, so they are not so bitter. I think most of the people have that idea that because it is all burned, it will be
too bitter.
Yeah.
And it's that traditional to burn the ingredients, or is it your take?
I think it's my thing. I just love I don't know, burning things
stuff?
because I don't think that's a mistake. I think most of the people think that burning stuff it's a mistake, and I don't think in Mexican traditions or Mexican food it is like that. No, we have a lot of really, really important dishes that are basically burnt. So yeah.
On purpose.
Yeah,
on
purpose. Sure.
Yes.
Yeah, on purpose. Right. So we're putting like a little avocado cream.
And what's in the avocado cream?
It has coriander, serrano pepper.
Fresh serrano.
Yeah. And the avocado. So we have like a little cream.
And the rolled cucumber and the beautiful radish you just tossed with the mixture was olive oil
and yellow.
That's gorgeous.
Did you like the radishes?
I love the radishes. They had a nice bitter crispy texture to them. You want me to toss the items?
Yeah, sure. Some fresh coriander. These are garlic flowers.
Garlic blossoms. That's beautiful. That's awesome. It's beautiful. Chef, what do we have here?
These are our Suckling Pig Tacos. We took away the fat from the pig and we just put them in the pan and we fry the pig.
And the pig was cooked before. How did you cook the
Yeah,
the
we
pig?
make it from like 6 to 10 hours in our caja china. We put it on brine from the day before.
And what's in the brine that you put?
We put salt and sugar and some oranges and peppers. Then we put some tomatillo. and red onions, and then we just fry them for like 3 minutes, and we just serve them in our handmade tortillas, and we just garnish them with some radishes and avocado crema.
Is there really a Baja cuisine, or are you defining it really?
I think we are getting there. I think everybody has their ways or their ideas or their influences.
You know, in the States, people associate Mexican cuisine with like the guacamole, the chips and salsa, you know, the tacos.
I would say that that's not it. Take the risk, because I know for most of the people, they see Mexican cuisine like a risk, because we are a little bit crazy. And we like to burn things, and we like to make these kind of crazy things for them, and maybe. So they should take the risk to come and try what we have for them.
To be more experimental.
Yeah.